This assignment you have written the number 1 to 40.
4.
And now what you are doing? You are writing the number name, right?
Yep.
How many object? How many pictures are these?
O and U are 4.
Okay. Next, for this B.
O anyone. And we need to write N.
Right.
E.
N. Where is N?
E. N. E. O anyone.
Next, how many apple?
6 apple. S. I. X.
Okay. Next.
6. 3. H.
T H.
T. H. R. Double E.
All right. And how many bats?
8 bats.
Okay.
E. I. G. H. T.
Okay. Okay. Now you count and draw the correct number of object to get the giving number. So how many balloons these are?
We are
30 balloons.
35 balloons and we need to 5.
You need to draw the 5 balloons. Okay.
Three balloon, then 4 balloon.
And next number need to 32.
It is 32. Then we have to draw flower 2.
Okay. Draw it.
So beautiful flower.
Okay. If we need here, if 34 number, then how many flower need to draw?
4.
Right. Okay. Now here you need to match the animals to its baby and home. Okay. So let's suppose this is cow, right?
Yep,
So
cow.
where is mama?
Mama is here.
Okay. And where it lives?
This is elephant home.
Which one elephant home?
Not jungle.
Who is in jungle? Elephant or cow? And for the elephant?
Elephant for jungle. In the forest.
Okay. And a cow, elephant baby?
Elephant baby.
Okay. And hen?
And baby is this.
Hen baby college?
And baby call as a chicken.
Okay. And it lives in the farm.
Farm.
Okay. And this side? What is this?
It is giraffe.
Giraffe.
Giraffe baby.
giraffe baby call as a calf.
Calf.
Okay, and it's live in the giraffe live in the
Jungle.
no, this side, this giraffe. This is you have to this. There is also pictures, right?
Yep.
This side, okay. Where it lives in?
Camel है ये तो.
Kennel, right? Kennel is the home for
Dog.
right. Okay, now match this dog. Dog baby call as a
Baby call it a puppy.
okay, and dog lives in dog home call as a
Kennel.
okay. Now last one is
Unicorn.
okay. So horse baby call as a
Colt.
and horse live in stable
Stable.
and yeah, elephant baby call as a
I want to.
elephant baby call as a tell me first this one
Elephant baby call it a calf.
calf. Okay, now you have to correct the product we get from the animal. Okay,
I want to do now.
so you did already. This cow gives us
I want-
egg or milk,
Milk.
and hen,
Egg.
and this one
Bullet.
what is this?
Bullet.
We'll see. Okay, now in this one write B for bird. You write the B letter which you find the bird. Okay, anywhere else?
Chicken can fly? No. This is cross. B.
Okay, and this one you need. Okay, complete it. Anywhere else? This one also, or this? This one.
ये भी वर्ड है.
Okay,
डक भी वर्ड होते हैं. One
and
duck.
cow and dog.
No.
Okay,
It can't fly. Oh, cat. Cat
cat
can't
also
fly.
not bird. Cat is the animal. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so here you need to tick the word which can fly and cross which cannot fly.
This can't fly.
Okay, so tick which can fly.
This can fly. This can fly. नन्ना से fly कर लेता है ये.
Okay.
नन्ना से टक्कर.
Mm-hmm. What do you think you can do? Next,
ये और स्पैरो नहीं देखे.
this is eagle, I think.
ईगल.
Okay,
ये वाले स्पैरो आते हैं हमारे पास.
can fly.
This can fly. This can fly.
Mm-hmm.
This can fly.
Okay, and here you need to draw the lines, the animals you see around our home. So you have to draw the line. Okay. Mm-hmm.
They can't come.
No, but these are the farming animal. It could be there. It help to farming. So we can also see them. Okay,
I don't see these.
and here, okay. So here you draw the tree, which are in the for wild animal, and draw the water, which are the water animal. Oh. Now it's better. Okay, next draw the water for the water animal. Do fast. You can make it here also. Mm-hmm. Okay. You draw here, huh? Mm-hmm.
Watermelon.
Mm-hmm.
ऐसे ही होता है ठीक.
Make the beautiful this time. All right, good.